Can rainy days be fun? When the sky is gray and the rain won't stop. No need to feel sad or let your fun drop. There's magic in puddles and clouds so high. Let's find some joy beneath the wet sky. Grab your boots and a bright raincoat. Pretend you're a captain on a pirate boat. Splash in the puddles, feel the drops fall. Nature's a playground for one and for all. Or stay inside where it's cozy and dry. Build a fort with pillows and reach for the sky. Read a good book or paint something new. A dragon, a castle, or a dream come true. Bake some cookies or sing a song. Dance in the living room all day long. Listen to the raindrops, pitter-pat beat. It's a rhythm no drum could ever repeat. When evening comes and the rain still plays, cuddle up tight and dream of bright days. Rainy weather can be such a delight when you fill it with laughter, love, and light. The end.